Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, guys, I will show you step by step how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner and earn commission. I will share with you new methods that you should start using as a beginner if you want to earn some commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods and new ways that I will share with you absolutely for free. And let's get started. Okay, so I made $12,105 in the month of April. Okay, from the first day of April until the day 22 of April, I made $12,105 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, here is what you need to do first. You need to go to Google, okay, and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy, guys. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission and you can make a lot of money with this business, with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy, will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Super easy, guys. This will be your dashboard affiliate account. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services and profitable services that people will be interested to buy, that you can promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest. So here is what you need to do. You need to go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, click on the search and search for this service. Search for digital marketing. Okay, search for digital marketing. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, like this seller over here have 5-star, a lot of reviews. So I will choose, for example, let's choose this one. This one is really looking good. He's good seller, he has a lot of reviews. Okay, I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see, like that. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. It's super easy, guys. So if you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, search for Pinterest. It's super easy. The sign up process is super easy. You just need to use your email address to sign up and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, okay? And make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. And why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly, and if you are promoting your affiliate links correctly, you can make so much money using Pinterest and affiliate marketing. Okay, so as you can see, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Okay, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services and products on Pinterest. Okay, anyway, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You just need to, so what you need to do next, you just need to upload a picture about this service here. So here is what you will do. Go back to this seller profile page. Okay, scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should see over here read more. Click on more, scroll down, click on his picture like this, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save image and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name this picture marketing like this, and here you go. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Open like this. You need title, you need description, and you need your affiliate link. So go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this, and go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Super easy. Description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, okay? Click over here on more, okay? So let me show you. And if you scroll down, you should see over here about this gig, okay? This is his description. Copy this part. You will copy this one like this. Okay, so just copy this description and go back to Pinterest. Let me see. I will copy this part. Okay, I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you have new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's have been almost like 4 years I'm doing this business. Okay, so for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So for me, I'm still getting this option, but for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down like this, keep scrolling down until you see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords like this, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Go back to the seller profile page and copy those keywords from here. Go to Pinterest, put those keywords here. It's super easy. Marketing plan, and we'll copy this one, and here you go. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest, okay? This will be your picture, this will be your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description, okay? So that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. And Pinterest has a lot of traffic. And for me, guys, the commission that I'm getting, it's not just coming only from Pinterest. I like to make this clear as well, okay? I'm using YouTube, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Quora, I'm using Google, and so much more, okay? If you are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, you can go and check my other videos. I share all those methods for free in my YouTube channel. Feel free if you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. And that's it. This is the method that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. I share with you guys all those methods for free. And that's it. If you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day with new account, your account will get banned. I have old Pinterest account. I can promote a lot of affiliate links directly. I don't have any issue with this, okay? Because I have old Pinterest account, okay? And that's it. So people who will check your service, for example, on Pinterest, if they click over here on your affiliate link, for example, like this, they will be directly in this seller profile page like this. Click on continue. They will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you guys in my next videos.